Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of sound as we explore the best speaker wires that can elevate your audio experience to new heights. Whether you're a casual listener or an audiophile, the right speaker wires can make all the difference in delivering crystal clear sound and richer bass. Say goodbye to muddled audio and hello to pure musical bliss. Stick around as we break down the top options, share expert tips on installation, and reveal what makes these wires truly exceptional. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on any future sound adventures. Let's get started. Number 5. Kabel Direct Pure Copper Stereo Speaker Cable and Wire. Made in Germany. This 14 AWG speaker cable has an impressive length of 15 meters, making it ideal for hi-fi speakers and surround sound systems. Manufactured using the latest manufacturing practices, it features multiple 0.2 millimeters pure copper wires wrapped in a durable yet flexible PVC jacket. This design ensures exceptional signal quality and longevity, promising a perfect sound experience for music lovers and audiophiles. Kabel Direct wire is easy to install thanks to its thin and flexible nature, combined with clear polarity markings. With an outstanding rating of 4.7 out of 5 on Amazon, it's no wonder this product is considered one of the best subwoofer cables on the market. Plus, peace of mind is assured with a 36-month warranty, demonstrating Kabel Direct's confidence in their product. Improve your audio experience today with this premium speaker cable. Number 4. Javex 16-gauge AWG Audio Speaker Wire Cable. A top-tier choice for anyone seeking the best speaker wires on the market. This premium speaker wire features 16-gauge 99.9% OFC, oxygen-free copper, delivering stable signal frequencies and superb high-fidelity sound quality with excellent corrosion resistance. Designed by a globally trusted manufacturer, Javex ensures reliability with a flexible and durable PVC jacket that guarantees long-lasting, undistorted signal connections. The stranded wire structure enhances flexibility and transmission fidelity, while the blue and black color-coded strap simplifies polarity connections for an impeccable audio setup. Perfect for various uses, from home theaters to outdoor events. The Javex speaker wire comes conveniently wrapped on an eco-friendly paper spool, with an outstanding Amazon customer rating of 4.8. It's your go-to solution for delivering top-notch audio performance. Number 3. Install Link 14-gauge speaker wire is your go-to solution. With a striking frosted red and black design and an impressive length of 100 feet. This premium speaker wire is perfect for car, home, or RV audio setups. Made from high-grade copper-clad aluminum, CCA, it offers excellent conductivity with minimal signal loss, ensuring that every note sounds crystal clear. The double conductor construction allows for fantastic flexibility, easy stripping, and great polarity identification, making installation a breeze. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this wire is ideal for connecting home theater systems, car audio speakers, or professional studios. Plus, the soft and flexible jacket not only looks good, but also guarantees durability. With an outstanding Amazon customer rating of 4.8. Install Link speaker wire is undeniably one of the best speaker wires you can choose. Number 2. Kinter Cable 100 feet 16-gauge Audio Stereo Speaker Wire. An exceptional choice for audio enthusiasts seeking clarity and performance. With a phenomenal Amazon rating of 4.8. This speaker wire is a standout option for anyone looking to enhance their audio experience. Boasting 100 feet of high-quality CCA, copper-clad aluminum wire, it features a 74 high strand count that ensures superior conductivity for your home theater or hi-fi system. The soft and flexible PVC jacket, complete with a red polarity stripe, makes it easy to handle and install. And it's also recyclable, supporting eco-friendly practices. Designed to connect power amplifiers and receivers to speakers effortlessly. This product truly deserves its title as one of the best speaker wires, whether you're setting up a surround system or connecting auto amps. The Kinter speaker wire is the reliable choice that guarantees a remarkable audio experience. Number 1. Gear IT Pro Series 16-gauge speaker wire cable, spanning an impressive 200 feet. This high-quality wire is designed for discerning audiophiles who demand excellence in sound. It features premium stranded conductors and is compatible with banana plugs, spade tips, or bent pin connectors, making custom installations effortless. The innovative copper-clad aluminum CCA construction provides the same signal frequency and corrosion resistance as traditional copper wire while being lighter and more flexible, all at a fraction of the cost. With a robust manufacturing process, the Gear IT speaker wire ensures high-fidelity sound quality and durability. Backed by a lifetime guarantee, Amazon customers have rated this product an impressive 4.7 stars, making it a top choice for home theater and car speakers. Experience unbeatable connectivity with the best speaker wires on the market. In conclusion, investing in the best speaker wires can significantly enhance your audio experience, providing clearer sound and improved overall performance. Whether you're setting up a home theater or upgrading your sound system, the right cables make a difference. Remember to consider gauge size, material, and connector type when making your choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video for more great content